Vocabulary for Sawalya. I expect you to know both the Irish and English of these words. Cover the English and see if you can translate the Irish words into English. Then cover the Irish words and see if you can translate the English into Irish. I also expect you to write these words out each night to help you with your spelling. As you play this video, pause after every 5 words and repeat to help with your pronunciations. Board, Spoonog, Bhaile, Cahir, Kishton, Laba, Anturlor, Fuineog, Giata, Sulis, Doris. Picture, Telefish, Gardine, Shomer Sitcha, Shomer Cullata, Tina, Shimlair, Dean, Garashta, Bala, Kittle, Stole. Clug, Cortini, Jortal, Mashi Neacon, Quishnor, Fulcadon, Tualia, Tulloch.